National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Greene County in eastern Arkansas, Craighead County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, southwestern Dunklin County in southeastern Missouri, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Brookland, moving southeast at 400 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jonesboro, Paragould, Blytheville, Osceola, Truman, Gosnell, Manila, Brownell, Lake City, Litchville, Lepanto, Bay, Brookland, Monette, Caraway, Kaiser, Crowley's Ridge State Park, Lake Frierson State Park, Oak Grove Heights, and Cardwell. This includes Interstate 55 in Arkansas between mile markers 38 and 63. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Craighead, Greene, Mississippi, and Poinsett, and Dunklin, Missouri.